Welcome friends, in this video we are going to discuss about twist clamp assembly parts which have remaining. In this video we are going to draw a pin and a hinge. Refer the drawing for the dimensions for pin A and hinge A. Make sure you must follow all the dimensions as per the drawing. Open a new part solid, select a millimeter Newton seconds as a unit and click OK. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Initially we have to draw a circle here. Use the dimension for the circle. And go to the extrusion. Specify the amount of thickness to be extruded. Select a face which you want to sketch again. Then draw a concentric circle here. Give the dimensions and then click OK. Go to the extrude option. Hide all the planes and give the different color for good visualization. We have to save our part for the purpose of assembly. Next we are going to draw a hinge A. So please make sure we have to follow the dimension for hinge A. We have to open a new part solid and click the use default templates. Go to the millimeter Newton seconds part as solid. Show all the planes. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Draw the circle. And specify the dimension for circle. Refer the dimensions for hinge A. Again we are draw the concentric circle, then specify the constraints. Make sure the both circles are concentric to each other. That's the trouble while we draw the circle concentrically previous. So we have to draw the circle again with concentric relation and extrude it for a required amount of thickness. Again we draw the circle at opposite end of the cylindrical part and give the same extrusion. Then we have to make a 1/6 UNC thread inside the cylindrical ball. And make sure you have all the diameter for circle as per the drawing. Then select a plane which you want to make it for, perpendicular to cylindrical ball, and we are to make a UNC internal thread on the cylindrical ball. So I just draw a circle here for the required amount of drilling diameter for the specified thread. Make sure you have to make a cut through the both side. If you make the cut with the mid plane, then click OK. Give the different color for good visualization, and save our components for the purpose of total assembly of twist clamping. To get the regular updates, please watch on this channel.